I always figured the crackle in my headphones was just cheap wiring, until tonight, when the static started pulsing in a rhythm that felt intentional. I paused my late-night gaming, heart thumping as the hissing resolved into sharp bursts, Morse code. I googled the translation, half laughing at my own paranoia, until I read the words, "Don't turn around." My screen flickered, my reflection appeared on the blank monitor, but I wasn't moving. Cold breath prickled my neck as I realized something behind me was watching, waiting. I held still, headphones glued to my ears, because in that moment, the static was the only thing keeping me alive.